Hi, in this one, discuss Leetcode problem 2134. Minimum swipes to group all ones together two. Right. So a swipe is defined as taking two distinct positions in an array and swiping the values in them. Okay. And a circular array is defined as an array where we consider the first element and the last element to be adjacent. Okay. So given a binary circular array nums, return the minimum number of swipes required to group all ones present in the array together at any location. Right. So for this example one, given array is 0 1 0 1 1 0 0. So there are actually 3 1 in the whole array. So I have to group this 3 1 right together. So one possible array is like 0 1 then 1 1 then 0 0, right. Next possibility is like 0 0 1 1 1 then 0 0, right. In this actually I can actually there are so many combinations. So suppose for this if I want to make this array, so how many actually operation swipe actually we need. So like here actually one is here, so these two are together same, this is also same, I do not need any swipe, so they are actually same, so I need actually one swipe here. Here actually it is same, so I don't need anything. Here actually I need different, so I need one swipe. Here actually 0 both are same, here also both are same, so I don't need any swipe. So there are actually two swipe, so 2 by 2 half, because these two will be swiped together, swiped. That's why I need actually one operation here only. So for this, if I want to make the array, the resultant array in this way, so how many actual operation need? Like 0, input array 0, 1, 0, then 1, 1, then 0, 0. This is actually same, this is actually different, so I need one operation. Here actually different, I need one operation. This is actually same, this is actually same, this is also same, this is also same. Here also I need actually only one operation, right? So actually I found that only we need actually one operation here. So I have to find out what is the minimum number of operation we need. Okay, suppose there is one possible possible array like 0, then 0 0 0 0. Suppose this is actually 1 1 1. Okay, and our input array is look like 0 1 0, then 2 0 here, then 1 1, right. So this is actually different, this is also different, this is actually same. Okay, in this example it's all actually will take only one operation. Okay, so suppose there is another possible array like 1 0 and 1 1. This is actually our array, input array. So how many operation we swipe actually need for this array? This array is circular, means what, like 1 0 1 1, then after that actually again 1 actually come. This will actually circular array, that's why it will be actually if it go to the next, I will come here actually for this index, right. So this is actually all like here actually in this example, like all one actually are together, right. So here actually we need actually 0 operation, right. So suppose another example like 1 0 0 1 then 0. In this actually how many actually swipe we need? There actually 2 1 are there, so how many actually swipe we need? If I swipe only this 1 2 with this, then only I can actually group together all one. Like this actually all one are together. So how many actually operation need? Only one operation need for this case, right? Suppose another example is like 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. Okay, and suppose here actually another 0. Okay, so for this array, input array, how many actually swipe actually we need? Now suppose we can actually what actually we can swipe, like we can actually swipe these three here actually. 2 1 will be here and another next 0 will be here. Okay, so how many actually swipe we need? 3 swipe actually need. Okay, can I actually optimize this? No, because these three are together. So if I can move these three here actually. Okay, and also another way is to I can actually move this one to here actually, like 0 0 0, then 1 1 1, then 0 1 1 0. then I can actually swipe this one to here actually, then 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. But here actually we can actually two swipe actually only needed, right? Got the logic, like how actually optimize it. If I move this 3 here actually, like first swipe this here, one will be here, one will be here, and one will be here. So for this, all one will be together. So for this actually I need actually 3 swipe. But if I swipe this only, like first one will be swiped here actually, okay, and the next this one is already here. So another possibility is I can actually place here. So all, like, again actually just take another new array, 1 1 1 0 0, then 1 1 0. Got it? So I what actually I want to swipe, like first this one will be swiped here, and this one will be swiped here. Like what will result in array then? This will be 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0, right? Here also actually all one will be together, right? But actually how many actually swipe actually need? Only 2. So that's why here actually answer is 2, right? So what is the logic to solve this problem? So first of all, I have to count how many actually one are together. Actually how many actually total one are present in the our array, input array. So suppose for this, how many actually one are present? 1, then 3 3 3 6, right? 6, right? So our resultant, in the resultant array, this length of 1 should be 6, right? This actually I have to make. So if I take a window of size 6, okay, oh, 1 2 3 4 5 6, okay, then what will be actually I have to make all of this to 1, right? This is your target. Suppose first of all I try to take this 6 length, this 6, first 6 element, okay. So first of all I will check what actually I have to check. Like I will check that how many one actually already in this window. Like how many actually one already have 3, but I know that I have actually 6 total 1 in our array. So how many swipe we need to group all ones together? I need actually 6 minus 3. 3 swipe actually need to make the window as all on. Got it? So this is actually one possible array, one possible combination, that if I swipe 3 times, I will group together. Okay. Then next, what is a possible window? Next possible window is this. Okay. In this actually, I will check how many actually in the current window, how many actually one are already here in this window. Like how many actually one are here? 2. And I know that total 6 one are present. So I need actually 4 swipe here. But how many actually previously I have seen? I can actually seen that in 3 times. If I swipe, I will make I can actually group all ones together. So here actually they are saying that if I swipe 4 times, I can actually group all ones together, right? So what I have to do, I have to take the minimum value. So still I will go to for the previous window. Got it? So for the next window, I will check same way, that how many one are present currently. So 3 one are present, and I know that total 6 one are present. So I need actually 3 3 swipe are needed. See, in this actually I will check all the window of length 6, all possible way. So how actually what is the possible array? Like 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 0. Got it? So what is actually maximum window it can go actually? Like it can actually I know that there is 6 one are there. So ultimately there actually, if I start a new window from here, actually I can actually take 5 numbers still. So this will be like this one, then this will be related to this 0. Got it? So I have to actually just they mentioned this is a circular array. So this window will be, what is the last window? It can actually go hot. This will actually 0 1 0 0 1 1. This actually last window I can actually take, right? So in this window, how many one are present? 3. and total 6. So I in this window, if I want to make this window as a our all ones, if I want to place all ones in this window, then I need actually 3 swipe. Suppose if I want to take this window as, suppose if I start from here actually, so what will happen? Like 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. uh, okay, then I can actually take this also. Okay, 4 6, window length is 6. Got it? So how many actually one are present here? 4 in this window, right? Window length of 6. So I know this, there is a 6 one are there, and in this window currently 4 one are already here, so I need only 2 swipe. So this is actually our optimal answer. So this will be actually our answer will be 2 ultimately. Global answer I will take for each window. I will check what is the number of operation we need, and then I will compare with our global answer, that is it optimized, it is less or not. If it is less, then modify the answer, right? So let's go to the code actually. So first of all, just count how many actually one are present in the our total in our array, input array. So initially our answer will be infinity, because I have to optimize this. So I will, that's why I have initialized with the infinity value. Now what I'm doing, I have taken a counter variable current one. This actually count how many actually for the current window, how many actually one are present. Okay, I have to handle that. So before going to the sliding window, before going to check that, I am just checking that if total one is already zero means what? There is no one, so I do not have to do any of swipe operations, or what, or all are one, all are one. You know, array size n, and the total number of total ones is actually number of ones is actually n. So in this case also I don't have to group anything, because they are already in group. So that's that time I have to check if total one is equal to 0 or total one is equal to n. That time return 0. Got it? Else what I'm doing? I'm just uh, creating all the sliding window starting from 0 to what will be the length? First window will be 0 to uh, total 1, total 1 minus 1. Got it? Then what will be the next window? 1 to total 1. Got it? So in this system, that's why I'm just taking that what is the till what is the right side it can go actually, the last window. I have actually shared this. You can actually check one observation actually here also. Like for this last window, like actually what are doing, like index will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? This is actually again 0 1 2 3 4, right? So how many actually one are there? 6. And total length of the input array is 10, sorry, 4 5 7 10 11 11. So and I am going for the last window, right index is 4. So how can I actually go if I don't take this 4, if I just replace 11 12 13 14 15, then actually 11 plus 6, what will I get? I will get 7. So if I just do 17 minus 2, this is, sorry, 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. 17 minus 2, I will get 15. That's why I can actually go 15. Got it? If I take 15 modulo of 11, I will get 4. Ultimately, I can go to that index. Got it? Modulo operation, it will actually handle that. So right side value maximum can go n plus total number of 1 minus 2. Got it? That's why I've actually initial. You can actually go to the, can check the code that right value is initially it is 0, and maximum can go up to n plus total number of 1 minus 2. Got it? And r plus plus. So what I'm doing, I'm just doing that if r greater than equals to total 1, means at least one windows have been completed. Right? Window size at least have to be, length should be total length, total number of 1. Window length should be total 1, right? So if it is already exceeding total 1, number of total ones, so means what I have to adjust the window length. So that's why I'm checking if it is our length is already total 1, length is already exceeding the number of total 1, then I have to just subtracting. I am just discarding the leftmost index. So how actually I'm discarding? I am just adjusting number of ones in the current subarray. So if I'm checking that in the leftmost position, leftmost index is 0 or 1. If it is 1, then if I shift this window for the next index, then this one will be discarded. Suppose this is the 1. So if I shift to window this to this window, then what will happen? This one will be discarded, right? So this will actually decrease the number of 1. So that's why I'm doing the if current r minus total number of length, r minus length modulo of n, if it is equal to 1, means what? It will be decreased by 1. That's the current 1, minus will be 0, minus will be 1, decreased by 1. Else if it is 0, then nothing I have to do, nothing will be adjusted, it will be just simply subtract 0. Okay, and currently what will happen? If our window length is length, I have just discarded one leftmost index. So what will be the window length? Currently length minus 1. Now I will take one current index into our current window. Okay, so what will happen? I will just check if it is the current index value r modulo of n is equal to 1, means what will happen? If it is 1 means number of 1 will be increased for the current window. So it will be increased, that's a plus of 1. If it is 0, then nothing will be increased, so it will be increased by 0. Got it? So I'll check if our current window length is total number of 1, then what will happen? I'll just check what is the answer till now and total how many operation need for this window. So how actually I can do? I will check. I know already the total number of 1 I know, and I know what is the current one present for this current window. I will just subtract this and I'll check how many swipe need. Okay, needed. And ultimately after checking all the window, I will return the answer. This will actually give out the minimum operation needed. Okay, so what is time velocity of this? Time velocity is like here actually we are traversing input array once, right? Here also we are traversing each element once. So time complexity will be big of n. So space complexity, we are using anything extra space? No, we are just iterating, right? So we are taking only one variable current one. This is just counting how many 1 are present in the current window. So I can actually say that space complexity big of 1. Got it? Also got the logic, right? You have to just actually adjust the window. Like if it is a current window this, and I know that the window length will be length, suppose number 1, and whenever we are just shifting this window to this, suppose, so this will be actually added. So before adding this, just discard this, because I have to adjust here also length should be, the window length should be length equal. So I have to just discard this and add this into a current window. So for whenever we're discarding this, I have to just subtract. If it is 1, if it is 0, then nothing I have to adjust, because number 1 will be same. And whenever we are adding, I have to check that okay, this is going to add into the current window, so it is 1 or not. If it is 1, then I have to check how I will increase the count of 1. Else 0, I don't have to check. Got it, right? Thank you.